To form an LLC in Iowa, start by choosing a unique and compliant business name that includes the phrase limited liability company or the abbreviation LLC. The name must be distinguishable from existing business names in Iowa and must not contain certain restricted words. You can check the availability of your desired name by searching the Iowa Secretary of State Business Entity Database. Next, appoint a registered agent who will receive official documents and notices on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Iowa and be available during business hours. You can hire a professional registered agent service or appoint an individual, such as a business owner or employee. After selecting a name and registered agent, prepare and file the Certificate of Organization with the Iowa Secretary of State. This document requires basic information about your LLC, including its name, address, purpose, and management structure. You can file the Certificate of Organization online or by mail, and the filing fee is currently $50. Once your LLC is formed, obtain an employer identification number from the IRS, which is required for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. You will also need to open a business bank account to separate your personal and business finances and establish a record of your business transactions. In addition to these steps, consider drafting an operating agreement that outlines the ownership, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. While Iowa law does not require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended to establish a clear framework for your business and protect the interests of its owners. Finally, comply with any additional requirements, such as obtaining necessary licenses and permits, registering for state taxes, and filing annual reports with the Iowa Secretary of State. By following these steps, you can successfully form an LLC in Iowa and establish a strong foundation for your business.